Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a 2016 Holden Colorado LTZ dual cab. This shape runs from the 1st month 2012 to current. This is an LWN 2.8 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine powered by an auto 4-drive transmission, 2.8 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch mags. This is left-hand front with good tyre, left-hand guard, left-hand electric mirror with indicator, left-hand front door in good condition, left-hand rear door in good condition, left-hand side step, left-hand rear 17-inch mag with good tyre, left-hand LED type tail light, black rear bar with sensors, tow bar, right-hand rear LED tail light, tailgate complete in good condition, hard lid also in good condition, as you can tell. This vehicle has a factory chrome sports bar, right hand rear factory 17-inch rim with good tyre, right hand rear door in good condition, right hand front door also in good condition, right hand side step, right hand front 17-inch mag with good tyre, right hand chrome electric indicator type mirror. This vehicle is fitted with factory black leather interior, console lid, center console, sunglass holder with courtesy light, left hand sun visor, interior mirror, factory touchscreen CD player, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel with your cruise and audio controls. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.